mori. Mate mori. Imaš ludo kitka.
Ja grizem, žderem, režim, derem, njušim, stenjem, jedem, serem. Ja lajem, žaram, sisam, karam, u licu, pošten, u duši, pošten. Ja sam pitbull! Ja sam mala pitbull!
Look at those guns. That's nothing. Look at this. Now those are cannons. You got no symmetry. Symmetry? What are you talking about, symmetry? Symmetry, look. My chest and my lats balance my arms. All you got is arms. Get out! This is the cover of Men's Health. That's like Flex magazine. You know, one of those before pictures in the back for the weight loss drinks? You got no size. You got nothing. This is Men's Health. Do you got this? I don't think so, my friend. That's an 8-pack. Women in my building come over to do their laundry. What are you talking about? They use my washboard to scrub their panties. This is what they're dreaming about.
My grandmother's got better definition than that. Can't see nothing for all the fat.
Fat? There's no fat here. I'm bulking up, and that's how you do it. First you put on the muscle, and then you get cut up. Yeah? What are you gonna do? You gonna get lipo? See, this is natural. That right there, that's what happens when you do juice. You stop juicing, you get flabby. You're just jealous because you're skinny. It's quality, spider fat, not quantity, right? Pound for pound, I'm tougher than you are. You got a fever or something? It's true. I could crush you like a bug. Yeah? Bring it on, laddie. Let's see what you got. Let's step outside. All right. Your teeth are going to be scattered all over Mulberry Street. Let's go. Let's go. You hungry? You want to get something to eat? I'm famished. What are you in the mood for? How about that Mexican place around the corner? Mexican? That's too fatty. Oh, that's right. You have to worry about that, don't you? I'm going to kick your ass. Hey, bring it on. Let's go.